everybody, I'm Amy.
And I'm Mandy.
And this is what's happening for the week of October 21st at the Fitchburg Senior Center.
Hey, you guys, we have a really, really important lecture coming up, and it's called From Holocaust to Civil Rights. We have invited the Simon sisters to come and give their talk about their 2015 pilgrimage to Germany, to France, to learn about their grandmother's murder during the Holocaust. This is going to be at 1 o'clock in Council Chambers. We're expecting a big turnout. This is an incredible opportunity. You will not want to miss it. And not only that, but we also have the travel show coming up. Just want to give you a real good heads up. This is going to be on November 6th, so come and see where we're traveling in 2025. Some great places, you won't want to miss it. See if these are trips that you want to go on with others. Hey guys, don't forget, early voting starts on the 22nd. You reach out to us and let us know if you need a ride, because we'd love to get you to the polls. We can do so in the morning hours and around the lunch hour. So just call Susie and ask for a ride. Amy, what else is going on?
I see a really cool program coming up. Who doesn't have back pain? Lower back pain.
At that,
Yeah, so you're gonna wanna join Dr. Jason Sanstone. He's an orthopedic surgeon on October 30th at 11. He will give us the lowdown on that pain, and no registration is required.
Nice.
And then Medicare D Open enrollment is open again, October 15th through December 7th. And everybody should be looking at the plan finder, because it really only matters what meds you're taking. Doesn't matter what your friend has, what your spouse has. You could have two different plans, both of you. It's just dependent on the medications you take. So
meet with your social
sign
worker.
up.
Yeah.
And if you haven't already registered for Zumba, do it. It starts on October 16th.
And it's free.
All you have to do is wake up and show up.
Where the coffee's usually hot, you'll find friends, a newspaper, and maybe even a hug.
We'll see you right here.
Here.